The SQL Server Activity Monitor is a great out-of-the-box tool that allows you to monitor your database instance. To access the Activity Monitor, right-click on the instance. To access the Activity Monitor, right-click on the instance and then select Activity Monitor. You'll be landed on the Overview dashboard. Here you'll get an overview of the processor time, task waiting, database I/O performance, and batch requests. If you look below that, you'll see 5 other categories where you can view active processes. On the Processes tab, you'll see all the sessions that are connected to the databases. And this is for the entire server. So you can also filter per login or even filter per database. By default, all is selected. So if there are locks happening on the database, you'll be able to see the locks that are happening, and then you can kill a blocking process. If you right click on a user session, you have the option to view details, kill the process, or trace in SQL Server Profiler. Under the Resource Weights tab, you'll see a list of weights that are happening on the database. So currently there is not much happening on the database, so you won't be seeing anything under this category. Like the processes, you can also filter by weight type, filter by wait time in seconds, so on and so forth. In the tab below that, you have the data file I/O. This will show you a list of the data files within the database and the amount of read-write that is taking place per second. So if you're doing like some bulk insert and updates, you'll be seeing a lot of activity here. On the other option, you have the recent expensive queries. They show you a list of queries that were executed on the database and were expensive. The last option is the active expensive queries, where you have a list of active running queries that are taking up a lot of time. It could be active by CPU usage. You'll see a list of active queries. So currently nothing is taking place on the database now, so you won't see anything here. However, the recent will show historical data. So the SQL Server Activity Monitor is a great tool to utilize when troubleshooting performance issues on your database. You can easily spot anomalies within your database from the Activity Monitor and then take the necessary actions to resolve them. In the next lecture, we'll be taking a look at indexes that can be used to improve the performance of your queries.